Hey guys, this is my 1992 Dodge Ram D250 with 12 valve Cummins in her. Just wanted to do a little bit of a walk around and show you guys my truck. These trucks are getting harder and harder to find now. I did have a 1992 Dodge Ram W250 with 12 valve Cummins in it. That truck was 4-wheel drive. It was an extremely nice truck. I drove that truck across California. I had a guy offer me pretty decent money for it, so it was hard to turn it down. I do miss that truck in certain ways, but at the same time I'm really happy I went to the D250, which is just the rear-wheel drive version of this truck. The rear-wheel drive version drives way smoother than the 4-wheel drive version does. The W250s, they look fantastic. They sit a little bit higher obviously than the D250s, but the D250 is much nicer to drive, to tow your holiday trailer, to tow your boat. It's a much smoother drive overall. Sorry guys, I got cut off there. But yeah, so I tow my boat across Alberta. I go into BC with it. I really want to get out and explore more of Canada with it, so I'll be hauling my boat with this truck. I just got back from a trip down to the States with it. I drove it all the way to Idaho. We went boating out there for a week. The truck didn't skip a beat. Trucks have never ever let me down. They're just fantastic trucks overall. The third gen Cummins there, but yeah, so I've always been a first gen guy. This is my truck. It's in amazing condition. I only drive it in the summer. I take it off the road in the winter and store it in a heated storage unit. Just keep it away from the salt and all the gross weather that we get here in the winter. So.
Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna fall back now, no. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover tonight? But take it with me. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. Alright, now, I ain't gonna stop right now, no. Alright, I take it on.